My people, we don't come. The time when we say we'll talk, it don't reach. This one are Urban Land Magazine, radio and television station. Today, as we talked about before, we get one of our important brother for our house here, where we say, in one come our station, where we get a little interview with, we want to tell us so many things we say concern this COVID-19 issues. And as their movie industry, as crisis take the day for the industry, what they encounter for their industry. For this our station, as we talked before, now Pidgin, I will speak for here. We say everybody will open here for ground to understand. But before we start, we will use some kind of music to entitled now. We say one of our artists, what they call Anointing, aka Edo Master. This one one good release from Atu. We say what I would like to hear. Before you come, make we entertain with this music as it hot as they talk about. So, my people, our brother Enoch entered station now. So we don't do talk for this video. So make this people that enjoy. So black people will look now make to talk to them for the interview we get. Now do well. So, Mr. Isokba, you are welcome to Urban Land Radio Television Station.
Thank you very much, Urban Life, Urban Magazine, Urban Atokbe. Thank you. Thank you for having me.
You're welcome when we say you come to our station today. So for this our station, as we talked about before, now big Oyibo, now we knock for here.
Okay.
So today we can say, we can ask you some questions. So we say concerning these COVID-19 issues, the way we say they affect a lot of people. Yeah. So now today, we can say many people they say this issue it don't shake them well, not be small thing. And for the movie industry, one a day too, we know say that they face some crisis too, because people they think and say that's also enjoyment. We they make them understand say not be as they think. What may I say it be? So before we start, we would like me to tell us your name and your business by yourself.
Okay. My name is Michael Isokba. I'm an Nollywood actor, also a businessman, and I also produce movies too. So, we do Pataki. Exactly.
When I hear now, he say Ina Oviedo Bataki.
Yeah.
Mr. Michael, you do well for that answer you give us. But that's still hot. But now we hear say you know they for Nigeria true.
Yeah, not true.
Because people they think I say when I first tell they say he not there for Nigeria again. Or they say now lie, which kind of say not there for Nigeria. But I see which day last week here, you know all this kind of room of 18 now.
Yeah.
This person he go there for our studio today. We'll see whether he really there for Nigeria or not. And you don't confirm to us now say you know there for Nigeria.
Yeah.
If you tell us where you did now, we therefore know because your people they put eye for ground and 1 minute listing well.
Actually, I leave Nigeria December, so I actually come before Christmas. So now I leave Nigeria. So I travel come this side because now here my family day, my wife and my kids they here. So I did Belgium, you know, I did Belgium, and I know if they do Nigeria, Belgium, up and down. My wife with the travel con every time when they see me and all that, you know. So now say make I constantly come here, constantly stay with them, see my children grow, then we walk from here.
Very good, very good, very good. That is what they call responsible man.
Exactly.
That's very good. But during this time, now we say you can't all this 19 can't happen. This COVID-19, it can still affect you.
Of course, it affects me badly. It affects every one of us around the industry because as I come, a lot of people knew I came. When I came in, I did a very big show. I hosted a show here as an actor and I was also a stand-up MC. So they can't call me and say, as I did around now, beg, make I help them MC one show. So it has already started because we had a lineup of other show where they won't even do. So suddenly we begin to hear COVID-19 in China and all that. Everybody say, well, that's China. They're not going to reach this side because they hear a lot of things so they do for that side. You know, okay. So we kept our fingers crossed and we had a lot of, they can get a lot of lineup, other people from France, you know, Germany. I had shoots, I had occasions to attend, and a lot of things we already lined up for me to do, being here abroad.
But remember, guys, you don't come from our side though. We tell you say, not be big English we need.
Okay.
Yeah, now the one where we say, both people where we say, they talk, say, this kind of we don't hear what they talk, so they go hear everything.
Exactly.
So I beg, we not say, if you go school, we know where we are beg. When you come down to where we did.
No, mind me, Charlie. For don't talk serious matter like that.
You do well for that question, we say you feel answer for us.
Now, so the thing they enter. So
we know. Yeah. So
now so it be. So that actually come make everything shake. Everybody kind of postpone their shows. You kind of see they kind of redo the banner where you don't do before, postponed. So that was it.
You do well. But during this time, what you can fit to learn? During this time with this lockdown, what you fit to learn?
Yeah, actually, this time of lockdown, I can't really believe, and it teach me many things. I can't see life in a different perspective. You understand? Because a lot of people die. A lot of people die. People will never believe say the thing going to affect. It affect them. People will never believe say if even a sickness will kill and even with all the money, then die. So I can't begin to see life in a different perspective. I'll call my family. You know, the love way I don't get for them before, I can't get for them more. Things what we know to do before, we can't try that they do them. You know, living together, seeing each other, wake up in the morning, the next morning, it's the glory of God. You go out, you come back, you not catch this COVID-19 where they kill people. You know, then my neighbors, people around me, I can't really begin to see, say, man, what thing we get, so not just vanity. Anything if you happen just now, don't go. Now see waiting, if now word one end that particular time waiting the hot. Now so it just the end. And I say life will just finish like that. So it really teach me a lot of sense and how to really respect people, how to take things seriously, you know, and a lot of things. And we are still learning. Thank God we are still alive. So COVID-19 period has actually It don't really give us sense. It don't really make people stand. And I believe we still the fight time they go. And I believe very soon we will stop by God's grace.
You do well, you do well, you do well. My people, as we were talking before, this one are Urban Land Radio and Television. Now, the next question will be say, what we say, during this time, now we don't see and say, you learn many things and a lot of crises as you talk about, if everywhere, people die, don't be small thing. But you think that one will be say, if it is, you yourself take support people too?
Yeah, yes. You get some friends where I still reach out to, where to call me, 1 or 2 people. I know that, you know, words of encouragement and a little token to actually help them out for that period, because it was more like it can be like recession. You know, on the ground level, people stopped working. You know, work just stopped once. They just say lockdown, nobody will go anywhere, money not there anywhere, and you can't even quickly come up for Nigeria. You know, already don't they here, and here now the way that they plan now, government will always get plan for you, not the IB.
Yes.
1 or 2 things fall out. Say okay, for those who they house, wanna take day. But for Nigeria system, it not really be like that. So we constantly try, me and my wife constantly try to reach out to people who PC reach out to small as we stay rich. So those are the areas where I still help. Then we my colleagues, we also did a video to we used to sanitize people, to tell them wash your hands and all that. We did a clip, a very long one, all actors in Edo State and beyond. You know, we do that one to tell people, say, you got to wash your hand. This COVID-19 is real. It is not a death sentence and all those things. Because a lot of people were so scared. You know, can I make them? It really kills some people. Because when they hear say they get them, they don't want to go hospital, go check. Maybe they really start to treat them immediately. So they were scared. They kind of fear. This kind of thing they kill you, or what I go do. You know, stigmatization comes this day too. People know the person here say this one don't get COVID-19. They'll come and talk how they go. That many people take the fear, and the thing can't grow too much inside their body. They don't feel treat them again. That time it can't affect the lungs. They don't feel they breathe again. But for the beginning, you don't get them. You go hospital, don't feel treat them, and you'll be fine.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. My people are here now. Now, if they would educate us now, say, make one not think say this COVID-19 issue, what would they talk about? Say my story. This pandemic, now real. And we don't hear now say a lot of people don't really die. Those ones who they see for television, or who they watch for different places, or who they hear for news, not be fake. Now waiting they really happen. So, Mr. Michael, another question they be say, now you be celebrity. If you tell us some experience where it is to be a celebrity.
Okay, experience like how been my journey.
Yes, experience as a celebrity now. You get twist when so on the face too. You get the crisis when we say on the encounter too. So if you tell us the kind of things when we say they happen, because people they think, because like us now they think say celebrity not be smart, you know, because everybody want is there.
Yeah.
So you want to people now say. Now, so it just a smooth they go or so kind got a there for road.
Yeah, that area I want to make a no. You see, not be everything with the glitter and be gold. You know, you get some chairs where you just fine like this, they all do and gold plated. People just go Russian and say that gold, not be gold. You know, the industry as a celebrity, as an actor, as a star, is a sweet thing. You know, people go see you, oh my God, I really want to be like this guy. I really want to know like what you do. Fine, you know, because now waiting we they do. Most of the roles where we they play, big man own. Like some of my colleagues now, so big men, they put them because of their courage, because the way that they did and all that. You just get some people who say, now sister, but now so poor man side they play. But that one also make a star like that. So even Nigerians go see that one and go say, no man, that guy, nah, poor man, no, nah, so they're so poor man they play for film, you know. But now still celebrity. Now, what I'm trying to say is that many politicians say, celebrities, they're too the everything just deal with them like that, all the money, everything that they see for film, now so it really did. Yeah, it not be like that. You know, even if we see the strive, we are human beings. Because there are some things where we could do where the people out there go see and say, you're not supposed to do this thing. But they forget, say, we're not human being like them too. Do you understand? At times we will forget. We also do some kind of, at time when I did Nigeria, that time, all those bus drivers, I already drive, they go to your phone, come enter my phone. I said, really, what are you going to kill you? My friend would tell me, oh, but you don't know who you be. You want me to go to tell say now, so you they cuss up and down. I'll just say calm down. But I forget, so now normal person, now my normal character, as in, it make me bad. I go shout, eh?
That's true.
Most of the things be that. There are some things you cannot do. If you're there streets now, like, okay, some of all of us, my place now, my colleagues, them rest and all that thing for us about just sit down. I say, my mom will go eat for all those local places now. I said, well, not if we go there. Because if we go there, people go crowd there. Crowd, everybody say, me, hey, these guys, they here, all those kind of things. You know, free. Those are some of the things we face. Even if, say, yeah, there are some places we could go where our face can open the doors, your name can open doors. Yes, that is a good side of it. But not all is glitter, not be all way, just the sweet, they go like that. There are some areas, there are some things where we not do, where other people we still they look up to us. We not go allow them see us they do. You understand? So that
sorry, before I get to the again one question, we say yours come for me now. We say the yours intro for me now. The question I be this one say now, what did people they try to understand that be say, especially for this Edo movie? Would be say when I say they entertain all of us. These Edo movies and Nollywood, which one be the difference? Because people they ask the question, which one be the difference? Because they say and say most of these people we say they play roles as an actor or actresses for this Edo movie. So don't be say they don't get the talent.
Yeah.
And they say and they moved as they move crowd too. So if you tell us what thing, why we say it come like say they talk about Nollywood, so people they find out somehow say it's Nollywood Nigerian movie. So people say they cause confusion to a lot of people. So it means that the same thing that be how it be.
You see, I tell you, actually, now the same thing. Now the same Actors Guild of Nigeria, now it be. When you say Actors Guild of Nigeria, once you enter there, if you do fee for anywhere for Nigeria, that's why I say not cross Nigeria, enter on that country.
Okay.
Now, for Edo State, they can still get another group where they call Artists Association of Edo States.
Okay.
You see now. Then, because say now Igbo people actually start filming this Oyibo movie style, then they are in Igbo language too. They can't use on the missile right from time when they start these their movies and all that. If Igbo people they act, even in an English movie, if they do one or two English, they go put Igbo put. If they do one or two, they go put Igbo put. So they can't use them and take grow. As they grow, they also circulate themselves. They can't boycott them like not them be Nollywood.
Okay.
They can't put them Nollywood. You can't say now so Igbos now get Nollywood. So it was not difficult for other states so that come across, say, okay, we now still Nollywood. Because for Benin then, Benin is not going to do English film frequently. If they started English film on time, maybe they for measure up together. They do it, so they'll call everybody, you know, special Nollywood. Because now those Igbos, those some stars who will know then, all the Ramsinoa, them Genevieve, and they really start to do movies then. And then a lot of us were Nigerians were commonizing them that which kind of people, what are they shooting? What are they acting? But they did not stop. They don't stop. They can't begin this. They still do them. They still do them. They still do them. Now make their face popular. And most times people will know they watch film. Once they want to go watch film, they go say, Genevieve River, there, Bengi. So those one can't say those people that they say the movie because it was consistent. They begin they do and they don't rest. You understand? We started Benin do their own. Benin do movies. Somebody like Lancelot do what Emma Swen. Siam, he start for Benin, but you know Benin get as it is day for them. You know be support only day like that. So as he says things get the way it be, now he move go Lagos. As he go Lagos, Nollywood don't they grow there small, and all of they come join us together, grow up Nollywood. Because I still remember then when Lancelot tell me say he get some people then when he want make it carry go Lagos. Onto that Benin, because they get some people where just grow for Benin, but they don't want to travel at that time. They don't want to come on. They all like that locality. They all like They can't go Lagos. They can't go to see people who speak English. You go hard and to blend.
Yes.
That was then, not be now.
Yes.
So then a lot of Benin's were intimidated. That intimidation was just too much, so they couldn't move. Now it really cost them. Because if they had moved, most of those our old actors in Benin then, maybe they would come and measure up with the Igbos. They would not see Nollywood, Edowood. No. There's nothing like Edowood self. It is Nollywood.
That's true. Yeah. That's true. Because the question we say come for us, because it's important as you explain that now. So my people are not here now say everybody for that when I hear Nollywood, it means say people will be say it don't already the art movie and they for inside the industry already. So all of them are Nollywood.
Yeah.
That's what you take so it means say even the Edo now or the Benin actors and actresses or the industry, they first give the name or their own name to their industry or that Nollywood. Now what we say they all stop say as far as that Nollywood, once you know the art movie, you are a Nollywoodian.
Of course. Okay. Of course, you know the art movie, you're a Nollywood actor. Now, as I tell you just now, because now the Igbos now dominate them. So when you are not from the Igbo and you are acting from Ishan or you are acting from Akoko Edo, so they see you as Akoko Edo actor, and it's not supposed to be like that. You know. So now they segregate them.
Thank you well. But you see, you don't have to tell us more about what TBC they are put as a celebrities. Yeah. But for inside, because what TBC we still hear now, we say, like for instance, now concerning this media, we call it here now say, like for Edo movies, or sorry to say, the industry, entertainment industry for Edo states. So a lot of people they complain, say most of even the actors or the people we see that represent the entertainment industry, they say they get pride. So for that simple reason, now make people don't they care. So they look and say, if those people for Lagos or whatever, we will talk about just now, they think they're humble enough to even accept some certain things from the public. What are these people? So for that simple reason, they talk and say, that made them not they show interest for the people waiting for Edo as a entertainment industry. So I don't know whether that's true with that one.
Oga, generally, we'll look at, if you look into the Benin history, you'll see and say Benin first get pride.
Okay.
We first get pride. Well, we get pride in a way, but not to everybody. It is all the fingers not the equal
at all.
Everybody be like that, but majority of the Beninese get pride, men and women. So waiting they really most times they happen to us. Once we don't do one film, do 3 films. Maybe we can't do one film, we really blow us out like that. Then a lot of calls on they come, wow, you're doing very good. Oh no, you're just a very, very good actor. Your head could begin sweat. I know people like that. You greet them, they're not going to answer you. Hello.
Okay.
You understand? So now be the pride. So once those kind of people come, of which they forget, say, now the same media, now go carry them, move. Some don't know. They are not even aware. Then just feel say, because they don't be star, they are coming for popularity. Maybe they want to get close to him. They get carried in your news now. Them go come see popular. You know, instead, you are supposed to grow yourself every now and then. You understand me now? Okay? You're supposed to grow yourself like every now and then. Like anything we go give you platform to take grow. Now you suppose they accept. So now there, most of us they miss them, you know. So that pride comes in. You see, the Igbos, they're everywhere. We humans, blacks in general, we have pride in us. So it's based on individual. Okay, so people will say
that a true word. That one a true word. It really based on individuals because we hear so many comments about you as you say they live your humble life because people say not near you, they don't really understand as you're talking about now. They don't really understand you, and people they find way to near you when they know say who this person really be. And most of the part we say they play for movie too because of that part they play. So people they look at them and say this one like character been so it just be. So today you make them understand, say, you be very responsible man, to the extent where if you make up your mind, say you want to go join with your family from there. You continue. So my people, as we talked about before, this one at Urban Land Television and Radio Station. When I don't hear from Michael Shokman today, I beg, before we leave you for our station, one important one, they will ask you, say, just come to us now. So the person they ask, say, now, when we say you they ask this movie for Edo State, or for Edo movie, you don't play part for any of these English movies before, like this one we say people they read the think and say might be Nollywood. Yeah, you don't play part for them before.
Very well. In fact, now that's Oyibo film, what they call Nollywood film. Now me would start because I started with Lancelot to do Imaswen. Now he carry me into movie industry. You understand? So Lancelot they do Nollywood right from time. They say as Nollywood director. He's a Benin.
So in there was studio about a few days ago. There was studio with us.
Good. So I think he can change the system for Benin, you know. So now so it be. So I started with him. That was my first film. There was Brutal Heart. Got a lot of our colleagues from Lagos there. That was my first film. So now Nollywood film. So before I started, do a lot of films. If you go to YouTube now, just type Michael Isokman, you will see all my Nollywood movies and Benin movies and all that. And
I don't see that because people they think and say, when you add some of your movies, they be say make way for Edo State. Yeah. So people come talk and say, no, this will not be normal thing. You understand? Say this will not be normal thing. So it is show say not be normal thing. You get the point. You really try, not be small thing.
Thank you.
Because why? As you talk and so, a lot of things don't happen, and you not succeed past all these 2 dozen slave. So we thank you again. We say you take come on our studio today. So God will bless you. Next time, we'll see what's coming back for our studio again. So you do well. So people will feel attention to order for our client too. We say they're for line with us.
Oh, beautiful.
We greet all those your fans. Greet all of them. People be saying they look us now for our station. May you greet all of them for us.
Okay, I will greet them. Only say I don't see them from here. I don't know why I don't see them. Anyway, but it's okay.
No, because why? We there for life here, and people will be saying we don't limit to people will be saying if you join us for this screen.
Okay.
If you there for our boss, if you there for our boss for the online. So now people for us here, we don't limit. So people for us clearly, not because they limit, but don't meet in one hole.
Okay, good. To all the people where they watch me right now, to all my fans all over the world, God will bless you now. As soon as they watch our movies, as soon as they talk of us good, God will bless you now. You know, and to Urban Land magazine and radio, God will bless you now for having me. Obara talk by.
You do well. So when we leave you now, more for pay attention to order for our people we say will come with us for this studio too. So we forget that too because we get our schedule. So and people want to take listen to us today. As we talked about before, this one Urban Land Radio and Television Station. Anytime we episode and feel say make una talk to us, una see us for our Facebook, una see us for YouTube, una see for our website www.urbanlandmagazine.com. Una feel write us there. So now do well today, and people.
Thank you.